She's static. This is static. Good morning! Good morning, guys! I let the dog out. Out, 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 out. I let him out. Oh my god, I need shower bad. Good morning! It is Friday. Friday. I don't like Friday. Because, you know why I don't like Friday? My husband work Friday start always in the Friday, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And that's the thing that there's like 3 days in a row. It's usually Monday off, Tuesday off, Wednesday work, Thursday off. Friday, Saturday, Sunday work. And so some people who work in the weekdays, they love Fridays. But my husband and I doesn't like Fridays because it start the 3 days work in a row, which is no complaint. It's just like we just don't like it. My mother-in-law is happy every Friday because 2 days in a row, Saturday, Sunday, she doesn't have any dialysis. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for everything. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for that thumbs up. Thank you so much for the thumbs down. And you know what? I accept everything. If you have a thumbs down, bad comment, I think I have to accept the fact that I put myself into the world that you guys can see. Some people like it, some people doesn't like it. But you know what? Thank you anyway for watching. I wish I did vlog before when I was working. I work like crazy. I think I don't have enough time with that anyway. And then I stopped working until now. I don't go back to work. So I concentrate vlogging and I enjoy it. I keep watching a vlog already from It's Judy's Time, That's Heart TV, vlog something like that. I watch them. Sitioko, Ima Firais from Davao. She stopped vlogging already, but I love watching them. And Zuela more Zuela, something Zuela, and the brother of Zuela. You know, there's a lot of vloggers that I really like. Ali and April Justin TV, I watched them. That's how uh I started doing video. I do video before, guys, but I don't put it on YouTube. I did video, me, my husband, the cat, la 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 la, and then I have a big hard drive. That's how I did it. I have a big hard drive and I put everything in there. I don't edit it. I just like put everything, no nothing. Because it's really a good, you know, a good memory to come back and to look back when if you want to look something, just like what happened when I kept doing my previous cat, my other cat that who just died, Bobo. I like to video her while playing the laser, and when she died we really miss her like crazy. So we go back over there and watch the video that I did with her. It's just it's really like it's really uncomfortable talking to the camera or to the phone while walking. It's very uncomfortable, but if you get used to it, you get used to it. Me, I still not used to it, believe me. This time I'm really surprised because this was happen uh I have this channel 2013. I have this channel 2013, guys, and I monetize all my video, but I don't really earn like I have a dime or a 2 cents of, you know, dollar, 2 cents, $1. It doesn't even do $1 yet until November. No, November. I started in November. I bumped into this video about Google AdSense. About Google AdSense. I bumped into this video about Google AdSense, and he's talking, or she's talking, I forgot, he is talking about, you know, how to earn money with your ad, how to put ad and earn money. But because monetizing your video, you can put, you know, they will put video on your video, but Google AdSense will pay you that. I just don't know that. So I registered Google AdSense, and that's it, guys. I just registered Google AdSense and let it go. And you have to look, a lot in YouTube. Look how to register it, how to do it properly, and I have to share with you guys because, you know, it's nice to share, you know, like what you know, and it's a hobby, and it's a hobby, and then it's good for you also in the future, and while doing this it's earning money. So yeah, that's it. But you know what, don't expect like you get a lot of money like crazy. I started Google in November, and then in December, I know that in November I earned $10. and and then I don't get that money because I don't get that money because it need to be up to 100 before you can get the money, before the Google will pay you. In December I earned something, but they let you know in January. So they let me know I got 150. I got 150, guys. So yeah, it's not big, it's not a big deal, but you know what? It's just like makes you like very, very like makes you like, oh my god, I really made that. But you know what, don't expect that always like that and go up high, because it's going down. That's it, guys. Keep your video, don't delete your video after posted it on YouTube. Keep it to your own. Buy a hard drive. Believe me, hard drive, if you're in the Philippines, I don't know how much in the Philippines is the hard drive, but over here you can buy like 65. You can buy 65, but that's a very small space. But you know what, at least you can slowly, if you can find a sale on sale hard drive, then you can keep your videos already in there. I'm not doing it, that one only. Good morning, guys. I came down and my husband put something. I saw something on the table already. Good morning, Ann. I love you. This is what I see in the morning. This is what I see. Okay, I'll show you. Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I just get up. I'm sorry. I dyed my hair. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. How sweet. And this is for my mother-in-law. But how pretty is that? It's very sweet. Well, I told him there's no Valentine's, but he did it anyway. He got home from work last night, like I think 11, and he stopped somewhere to get this, I guess. Yeah, it's so sweet. It's nice. I just had breakfast, and me and my husband is here watching Mike and Molly. It's very funny. And I'm with my little Timmy Tam Tams. Kiss me, Timmy Tam Tams. We're just like spending a little time before he go to shower and go to work.
It's almost 8 o'clock. That little time is almost done.
Oh, okay, bye guys. I have to spend time with my little boy. Bye. It is freezing outside like crazy. And I'm just like in my thing. I wear this one because it feels comfy and it's very warm. So, but I have this like socks and pajama. It's so pretty, right? It is very pretty, correct? Yeah, I love it. I'm going to do my laundry. I can't even reach the thing over here. Everything is like blocking. I don't care. Anyway, it's Monday and husband's off, but he's like having a really bad headache. Yeah? You want the phone? Get it.
Wacky winter weather to expect. Gotta listen to Lonnie.
It's
Plus
annoying.
taking cash.
I love my Roxy Rock. Yes, baby, Roxy Rock. Censored. I just called the doctor. I called the doctor like 3 o'clock. I just called the doctor. I just hung up and I called about the result. That the the ultrasound. It's okay. The other one, the pelvic ultrasound, it's okay. I just need a vitamin D. I need the vitamin D. I'm sorry about it's dark. And the other one doesn't. They don't receive the other one yet. The result of the breast ultrasound. So yeah. So thank God that's okay. But I'm praying and hoping that this is okay also right here. Right, Hobbs? We're hoping that everything will be okay, right? Right? So I don't know why they don't come together, but yeah. Aflac, 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 up. She's static. This is static. Aflac, Aflac. Look at that. Look at that. He looks like an alien.